My name is Dennis Beltowski. I am the landscape manager here at Valencia Palms here in Del Rey. And I started here back in April of 2021. The board of directors from 4 years ago and the landscape committee met with Sod Solutions to come up with a solution with their LVN problem, which was quite serious. And ultimately they made the decision. It was a hard decision, but it was a very good decision to go with the CitraBlue. We're going on 4 years now, and nobody regrets a single thing about that decision. We've put down pretty darn close to 2 million square feet so far. And I would say that's probably close to 50% of the community. All the houses are done. I know the Valencia Palm current board of directors brings it up quite often about how they're going to move forward in the next, hopefully, couple years to finish the project, and then it'll be CitraBlue in here wall to wall. We have a couple of our contractors that bring future clients to see the property, which the proof is in the pudding, as they say. That's the best selling point you could have. And what I like the most about it is it shows very, very, very well. All throughout the year, winter, summer, it doesn't matter. I get asked by residents about how often we fertilize, and I says, we don't really fertilize that much. Actually, we fertilize a little bit less than the grasses that were here before. It just grows nice and thick, grows horizontally, so there's no room for the weeds to grow. I expect it to keep on going as is and getting better, because we have areas that have yet to be finished. And I think that's the ultimate goal of the community, is to finish. CitraBlue just keeps on trucking and looking good as can be.